Viewers, none of all this, what has been planned under Waqf, was planned by Ambedkar. First change was brought in 1954 by Nehru. He brought in state-run boards to centralize Waqf properties. Then 1964, the year he died, the Central Waqf Council was set up. This became an exclusive system, so there was a whole parallel land governance structure. After Babri, in 1995, they said that Waqf does not need to report to any civil laws. In 2013, Congress went totally mad, Ajay, mad. Then they said bring Hindus also under Waqf, so that they can go to Ajay Alok's house and say ये Waqf के land है. They can go to Jyotsna's house and say Waqf land. Ajay Alok, Ajay.
Not Hindus, whole country.
What, you will come in 1 versus 1. No. After Ajay you will debate. After Ajay you will debate. After Ajay you will debate. There will be a 2 window. Ajay, go on the 2 window.
Rahul Gandhi is absconding today.
Contribute to that.
You know why Rahul and
Ajay.
Priyanka are absconding today? You know why Rahul and Priyanka are absconding today? Because their lineage is haunting them. Which side do they take? Which side do they take? Their Christian lineage is haunting them. Now the whole Christian union all across Kerala and all across India, they have come unison in support of this bill, that yes, this bill must get passed. Now they are in catch-22, whether they should go to Italy or whether they should remain with Bhaijan. Now if they have to win election from Wayanad, they have to be with the Bhaijan. And of course avoid Christian, but in bigger totality, that hurts them. So Rahul and Priyanka conveniently chose to stay away from the parliament. This is the hypocrisy. This is the hypocrisy. These people don't care for India. They don't care for Hindus or Muslims. They don't care for poor. All they are concerned for the rich Muslims, for what this Waqf was. It was a conglomerate, it was a cartel of 250 Muslims all across India who were running and ruling this Waqf board. You know, there are at least 50 medical colleges of Muslim leaders built on this Waqf land.
Why can't you cut to him?
And none of the students get free education.
एक सवाल का जवाब
Anmol is speaking.
जनता को पता भी चलेगा दिल्ली में कितनी वक्फ की प्रॉपर्टीज हैं आप बताइए.
Anmol, just one question to Anmol.
Sir, एक बार बता
just
दीजिए.
one question to Anmol. Anmol can guarantee that Aam Aadmi Party is going to vote against the motion or is going to walk out.
अरे सुनो तो यार आप ये बताइए दिल्ली में कितनी वक्फ की प्रॉपर्टीज हैं.
If you are going to walk out, then you walk out right now. Otherwise tomorrow you will be ashamed.
सवाल से मत बचिए.
Tomorrow you will be ashamed. You have MPs from Punjab.
Cutting to